Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing alright. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I'm going to be making cauliflower rice, and I'll be making this for the very first time. Guys, I hope I like it. So here I have some of my ingredients all prepped and ready to be used, but I'm going to start by measuring out the rest of my ingredients. You can try this recipe if you're trying to be a bit more mindful of what you take in. Like, I noticed that I eat a lot of carbohydrates, I eat a lot of rice, and I really want to cut down my carbohydrate intake, so I'm trying new things to see what works. Okay guys, let's look at everything that we have here. I have my cauliflower rice, my onions, my garlic, my ginger. I also have some lemon pepper in there, my salt to taste, my oil, my stock cube. Also, I do have some parsley and carrot. I also do have some green peas, some habanero peppers, some green bell peppers and red bell peppers, and of course not forgetting my prawns. You guys know I love prawns and shrimps, right? This looks like everything I need, so I am ready to get started. So I don't know what I was actually expecting, but this smells really good. I hope it tastes as nice as it smells. Okay guys, let's taste this and see if this is actually a substitute for rice. So my verdict is that this tastes really good, guys. It doesn't actually taste like rice, but it's actually a good meal. Thank you for watching, guys.